This is not traditional farming. This is AI-powered Python production at industrial scale. Every cut is controlled by artificial intelligence, ensuring precision, efficiency, and zero waste. Thousands of pythons are raised in smart, climate-optimized environments monitored 24/7. AI systems calculate exact nutritional needs for every python in real time. This facility redefines reptile farming with unmatched scale and automation. Behind the scenes, AI monitors temperature, humidity, and growth patterns continuously. Each habitat is precisely engineered for optimal development. Humidity is adjusted automatically for ideal skin quality. Sanitation is fully automated, maintaining pristine conditions. Computer vision analyzes health without human interference. Thermal sensors detect even the smallest irregularities. Automated handling systems reduce stress and increase safety. Every movement is synchronized by central AI. Human experts oversee the system through advanced dashboards.
Predictive algorithms forecast growth with stunning accuracy.
Autonomous drones perform daily inspections. Microsensors constantly collect environmental data. Lighting adapts to support healthy development cycles. Water systems are filtered and recycled with precision. Every portion is measured down to the gram. Nutrition is calculated and prepared by robotic systems. Each python has a unique digital identity. Technicians supervise without disrupting the ecosystem. This is precision reptile agriculture at global scale. When optimal growth is reached, automated systems begin processing. The facility operates under strict food-grade standards. Advanced robotics eliminate manual handling risks. Laser precision ensures uniform cuts every time. Processing is rapid, consistent, and hygienic. This is not traditional farming. This is AI-powered Python production at industrial scale. Every python receives precision-calculated nutrition controlled entirely by artificial intelligence. Climate, humidity, and light are optimized in real time for maximum efficiency. Human experts supervise safely without disturbing the environment. Products move through sealed, food-grade conveyor systems. Microsensors collect temperature and humidity data 24/7. Laser-guided systems ensure uniform precision every time. Nutrition is prepared by robotic systems under sterile conditions. Automated sanitation keeps the facility pristine.
Predictive models forecast growth with stunning accuracy.
When processing begins, hygiene protocols activate instantly. Behind the scenes, advanced algorithms monitor every detail, every second. AI inspection guarantees consistent standards. Each portion is vacuum sealed for freshness and safety. Temperature-controlled storage preserves quality at scale. Every package is digitally tracked from factory to destination. Robotic palletizing increases speed and eliminates errors. Skin processing begins in fully automated cleaning chambers. AI scanners map every natural pattern with precision. Robotic frames maintain perfect tension during preparation. Humidity and airflow are digitally controlled. Advanced dye systems ensure vibrant, consistent finishes. Only flawless, premium-grade leather moves forward. Packaging is automated for global distribution. Integrated logistics ensure rapid worldwide delivery. Sustainability powers this next-generation operation. AI-driven Python farming is redefining efficiency, precision, and scale. Each Python is digitally registered with a unique AI-tracked identity. Growth data is visualized in real time through predictive analytics. Rail-guided robots transport materials with silent precision. Environmental adjustments are made automatically within milliseconds. Advanced imaging systems evaluate skin quality long before processing. Humidity control ensures optimal skin development. Robotic positioning eliminates manual inconsistencies. Cleaning systems operate in fully enclosed, hygienic environments. Surface finishing enhances durability and appearance. Every transfer happens inside sanitized containment systems. Laser calibration ensures unmatched mechanical accuracy. Machine vision guarantees flawless output standards. Laser grids measure thickness down to microscopic precision. Autonomous vehicles move materials without human contact. Temperature and airflow are perfectly regulated.